The NKK switch's UB series of low-profile push buttons and indicators are available in a wide variety of options, including illuminated, non-illuminated, and indicators to suit a variety of needs for different applications. The series features small behind-panel dimensions for snap-in mounting in tight spaces. A combination of PCB mountability and short body allows for use in compact applications. The switches have a 5 amp power level and 0.4 volt amp logic level with multiple industry certifications. With terminals that are epoxy-sealed, the switch is able to lock out flux, solvents, and other contaminants. The illuminated UB series includes bright LEDs in red, amber, or green, super bright LEDs in white, green, or blue, or super bright bicolor LEDs with alternating legends in red and green or amber and blue options.